Hello students, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be discuss about the topic tense. So I have already discussed all the three kind of tense, that is present, past and future. So now the work is remain here is to see how to practice tense, how to use all those formulas and all those explanation into your exercise, okay, into your question. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so let me tell you, in tense there are certain keywords are there which will help you to easily find out that which tense you have to use in that particular sentence. Okay, so that's why listen and watch the video carefully. So first is Abdul want to be a doctor. Now Abdul want to be a doctor, it is his ambition. Okay, so you can here use, you no need to use here continuous because action is not going on, or action is already not finished also, or action is not going for a long time. So here we will use just simple present. Okay, so here the bracket, in the bracket you will get the verb and you have to change the verb given in the bracket. Okay, now simple present tense of want will be want, but keep in mind Abdul is a name and with he, she, it and one name. Okay, when one name is mentioned, that is here one name is mentioned, so we use s. So here wants. Now the answer is correct. If you will write only want want without s, then your answer will be wrong. So whenever you are using simple present tense, then be careful about ses, where you have to put s, where you have to put es, like that. Okay, so next move on to number 2. The soup tastes good. So this is also a truth. Okay, so here also we are not going to use any kind of continuous or perfect or perfect continuous, or we will not go to past also. Okay, the person have the soup and the person like it, so it is a present tense. So here we will use only simple present tense, that is taste. Now the soup is a one name, it is a single name, right, singular name. So what we have to use here, s. So I already told you that be careful whenever you are using simple present tense. Okay, he watched TV most evening. So it is a habitual action of a person, that most evening what he used to do, he watched TV. So here habitual action, if you remember the explanation, habitual action also contains or it comes under simple present tense. So here watch, as it is he, so we use es, watches. He watches TV most evening. Okay, next move to he dash go out 5 minutes ago. Okay, now what ago? Ago means something related to the past, and whenever you get the word ago, okay, use simple past tense, very easy. So the simple past tense of go is went. Okay, he went out 5 minutes ago. So you no need to think about perfect or continuous or perfect continuous. Okay, just use simple past. So this is the keywords. Okay, I'm explaining each and every question because in each and every question certain keywords are there which will help you to easily fill up this blank. Okay, like when you will get ago, directly use simple past tense, simple past. Okay, next, when he lived in Pune, he dash go to the cinema once a week. Okay, now when he lived in Pune, so it is also about past. Okay, now whenever you will get, suppose okay, let me explain you here at the last. It is about past tense. Okay, only it applicable in all the past. Okay, not in present, not in future. Future, that is different. Past tense. So if two verbs are given, okay, one is written in simple past, then another will be either past perfect, okay, or either past continuous. Basically we use to. Sometime past perfect continuous also come, but here also simple past and here will also simple past. It is wrong. One should be simple past, another should be past perfect. In the same way, if one verb is past perfect or past continuous or past perfect continuous given, another verb is the fill in the blank, just simply put simple past tense of the verb. Here two verbs are given. One is lived, one is go. One is written in simple past. Think about this, what it can be. When he lived in Pune, he dash go to the cinema once a week. So it will be he had gone to the cinema once a week. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, I am using here past perfect. Next, Mohan reached the bus stop before the train come. Same will applicable here also. Came, simple past of come, right? So, and one more thing, whenever you get the word before and when, okay, use past perfect. If already past perfect is given, another will be simple past. Simple past given, so here past perfect. So Mohan had reached. So when, before, after, there one will be simple past, another will be past perfect. Okay. Peter write this magazine for 2 hours by next January. Now by next January is something about future. Okay, so Peter write this story for 2 years by next January. It is about like he already started the action of writing and he will continue till next January. So already the action has started and it will still continue by next January. So it is something perfect continuous. So as I already told that this is next means about future, so it will be future perfect continuous. So would have been writing, or Peter will have been writing. Okay, so better to use will have been writing. Okay, next, I see a bird. So here you just use simple past tense. I saw a bird. Now this too is very, very important to understand. He lived here for 6 years. Whenever you will get this for and since, just use perfect continuous. Okay, basically we use present perfect continuous. Okay, so here present perfect continuous of live will be have, has, with he we use has been living. Okay, he has been living here for 6 years. So this is a keyword. Whenever you get for, whenever you get since, then just add perfect continuous. Basically we use present perfect continuous. Now here, I know him for 3 years. Here also this is the same question, but keep in mind certain verbs are there which cannot be used in continuous form. Okay, certain verbs are there which you cannot use in continuous form. Basically those verbs are word of perception, like sixth sense, seeing, okay, hear, all this kind of verb you cannot use ing form. So know also is a verb where you cannot use ing form. So according to this, these two are similar. Accordingly, if you will put here or use here present perfect continuous, that is have been knowing, I have been knowing, then it will be wrong, because with know we cannot use ing. So what other alternative? So use present perfect. I have known. I have known him for 3 years. So keep this in mind. Why? See, this both questions are same. Both questions are same. The difference is that with certain verb we cannot use ing form. Certain verbs does not take continuous form. So those verb which does not take continuous form and with that for or since is there, just used present perfect. Keep this in mind. Other rest you can use present perfect continuous. Okay. Next, he left this house last year. So last year, it is about simple past. Okay, so no need to go very long or very lengthy process like past perfect continuous or past perfect, something like that. So just use he left. Okay, Now see here, while. Again, another keyword. Whenever you get the word while, okay, while I entered home, he dash study. So actually this kind of keyword like while, this one here, before, when, after, you will get mostly in past tense, not in present tense. Present tense sentences are very simple, okay, simple also. In past tense you will get two type of sentence, okay, which you can say, what you can say, um, conditional clauses kind of a sentence, okay, conditional clauses kind of sentence you will get in past tense. So here, whenever this, listen carefully, whenever you get while, one will be either simple present or simple past, simple past, another will be past continuous. So he was studying. Keep this in mind. This is again a shortcut or keyword, okay. Whenever you get while, one, if two verbs are given, two verbs definitely will be there. One verb will be in simple past, another will be in past continuous. Means while I entered home, he was studying. Means when this action had happened, but another action was going on. At that time, what is going on? He was studying, okay. Next, the last one, she dash finish her work just now. Just now, this kind of keyword, if you get just now, it means it is just now completed, okay. Just now means she finished her work just now, means her work has completed just now, means it is something related to present, and the work is completed, it means perfectly completed. So here we will use present perfect. So whenever you get just word, along with that any other now, whatever other adverbs are given, so just use present perfect. So this is 13 questions with which I explain all the keywords and everything. Listen to the video, watch the video again and again, okay, so that you understand it better. I will give some extra questions so that you can solve it by your own, okay. So for today, this much. Thank you.